So the price of USDJPY is coming back down after the markets achieve this very movement. From this level of support, market move upward to this very area, resistance, and this resistance is pushing the market back down right now. So what next? Remember, next tomorrow is going to be the NFP, non-farm payroll. And I believe strongly that the non-farm payroll that's going to come out next tomorrow is going to definitely impact the market. And that is why I am expecting this very movement to come back down. Okay, market should come into this very area. And when market come into this very area, I'm going to further look at price action to see what market is going to do, because I believe that if market come here, market have a greater possibility of moving all the way to the upside. And I'm going to give a trade on the Telegram channel. One important thing here is, if you've not joined this very channel, this Telegram channel right here, where I do drop updates, technical analysis, and signal, join right now. It is a free channel. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. So this very point, market is going to come back down into this very area before the next move to the upside, especially if the non-farm payroll is good for the US dollars. Then market is going to move upward after this movement. But for the immediate short term, in the next 24 hours, expect the market to come back down on the price of USDJPY. This is my personal opinion on this very price action right now. This is a very quick and precise analysis. Market should come down into this very point. Very important. And on Euro USD, look at it. Market is not moving that much. Remember this very point. I told you guys that market is going to range within this very level of resistance and this very point of support. And that is what we've been seeing since last week into this very week. So I am looking for a breakout on this very price action. So for me, on the 4-hour chart, Euro USD is for the market to break out this level of resistance. The market is going to move all the way to the upside if it breaks out. And this level of support, market is going to move all the way to the downside if it breaks out as well. So what I want you to do right now is to exercise patience with the market. If you don't know how to trade the range, that's mean take advantage of market moving from here into this very area, move from here, come back down, and just like that, wait for the market to break out. Very important. Don't fall into the temptation that a lot of traders fall into by taking trade without proper understanding of what they are doing. For example, taking trade in ranging markets when they don't know how to trade the range. It's better you avoid the market if the market is ranging when you don't know how to trade the range than taking the trade in the ranging market when you don't know how to do that. So I advise that you wait for the market to break out, because I'm expecting that the market break out on resistance moving upward. And if market break out on this resistance, that means a breakout here will send the market upward and the market is going to come back down. So this very point is going to act as support for the market to move upward. That is only when I'm going to give a trade on Euro USD. But for this very price action, USDJPY, I am definitely going to give a trade very, very soon, especially if the market continues this movement downward into this very area. I'm going to look for a good buy opportunity in favor of the USD for the market to move upward. So in the next 24 hours, expect the market to come back down on the price of USDJPY. And in the next 24 hours, for Euro USD, market should stay within this level of important resistance and this level of important support. This is very, very important. What that means is on Friday, we can see the market break here and come back down on Euro USD for our chart, or break here on resistance and move upward. But for the next 24 hours, don't expect market to just move upward. Of course, that possibility is there, but this is what I am personally expecting right now on these various charts. Pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market is very important. And like I said earlier, if you want to receive signal updates, many more, please join the channel right now. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment, and share the link with others. It is a free channel where you get updates. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.